in and out, 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 in and out. I'm going to break it down into 2 ponytails for you so you get this result. You understand what you're looking for, and as a hairdresser, understanding where hair fall has to be pulled to, or section has to be pulled to create the desired look. This is the finished result, as you can see. Beautiful layers, long layers, really sort of textured and choppy, all down that bottom. I'm here for that. We've got a really nice fringe in there. So let's jump into the sectioning pattern and get straight in to the haircut. Sectioning pattern, there was already a little bit of a fringe in this mannequin, but it lends itself very, very well. We've got a central part through there. So I've split it in half, and then we've done exactly the same on the back, straight down middle back. And then we've done 2 ponytails above each ear. And now what we want to be doing is grabbing my texturizers. There, my ochre 14 teeth texturizing scissors. And what we want to do is we want to find the length here around the face, which is going to be that piece of hair there. So where we're looking at the minute, it's sitting just at the neck. We want it to sit a little bit higher, just something around about here. That's where the kitty cut, cub cut sort of sit, depending on where you look for it. But if you're looking here, this is it. So we basically want to be taking it out 90 degrees from the head, and we're going to lose an inch because we could afford to lose an inch here. So I'm just going to put my scissors in and out, in and out, in and out, until we've taken off that inch. I can see that bit at the top there. There we go. Now it's quite a blunt line, but softened because of the scissors that we're using. But I'm just going to go an inch into the hair again. I'm just going to put the scissors in and out. And where I cut it, I'm moving my fingers to again. And then where I cut it, fingers to. Where I cut it, fingers to. Where I cut it, fingers to. And just take off what's needed. One side done. Now let's spin around. It's easier to there. Now we were looking at an inch, weren't we? So straight out from the head. Make sure she doesn't move. In and out, 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 there. And then we come an inch again. We go in and out. Fingers up, in and out. Where I cut it, in and out. Where I cut it. There we go. We've got a soft, textured cut. There we go. So we're going to whip these out, give it a little shake, and then if we need to put some length in or refine it slightly, we'll use the same scissors and we'll create the final look. So, are you ready? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Somebody said in one of my other videos that I shook the mannequin and I replaced it with another. I can assure you I never do that, because that would be lying, and I'm not a liar. Right, we want to get rid of that length there, and there. Oh, look at it. All those layers, everything, easy. We've got our length at the front, which is what we were aiming for with that first ponytail. I'm just going to come from that point there, and I'm putting in the length with these texturizers. So I'm gonna speed this up so I'm not here all day for you, and then check out the finished result. And there we have it. That is the haircut that is bang on trend. And if you were to go to a hair salon and ask for it, you want it to be anywhere between your neckline, and you want there to be long layers that sit into that bottom. You don't want to be affecting anything up here, because you're not looking for that. You're looking for texture down here. So I'm just going to style it out, and then we'll have a look at the finished result. Just cools down a little bit. I mean, I didn't do much styling. It's a ponytail haircut, but you get the gist. You get the gist of it all. While we've heated up this, we've popped those clips in. We'll let it cool down so it will naturally part. Supposedly, the biggest hair trend for this year. I'm all here for it. I love bobs, and I love textured bobs. And I said it in one of my other videos. I'm really missing all the texture, rock and roll hair in the industry right now. When I joined the industry, it was all about rock and roll, and it's got very soft. So I'm looking forward to bringing all this back into the salon life. I just love texture in hair. How's that? How's that? Does that look all right? Let's take these out. Just going to get my texturizers again. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to lift the fringe up. And I'm just going to just soften that off a little bit like that. And then flip them around. Just taking that weight away from fringes just allows you to be able to manipulate it a little bit more like that. Let's bring that bit in there. Better, but that piece there. Tell you what, we'll drop that down a little bit. There we go. I think that looks nice. This year's biggest haircut trend. I hope you go into the salon and give it a go and ask your hairdresser. Thank you for watching. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think about this video and this haircut and this hair trend. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video.